Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Derek Austin's Level Up Travel. You know I love to talk about points, miles, rewards, credit cards in general. Love to talk about cash back. Love to talk about the programs like the hotel programs, the airline programs, the credit card programs like American Express membership rewards points, like Citi thank you points, like Capital One miles from Capital One, and Chase Ultimate Rewards. And I love to talk about the U.S. Bank Altitude Reserve points as well. But you know, today's something I also love to talk about is cash rewards and the preferred rewards program from Bank of America. I don't put it on my promo ever, but I've been taking advantage of it a little lately. I want to get into the program, tell you what the tiers are, how you qualify, and you know, if it's worth it for you. So let's get right into it. So preferred rewards program, if you have a certain amount of money with Bank of America, they give you boosted benefits, including credit card rewards. So the first tier is gold tier. You have to have more than $20,000 in the bank for more than 3 months combined average daily balance, okay? And every time your bank statement comes back, that's when it actually updates. So if you had it for like 5 days, it's not gonna update, you know, even if you had like $100,000 in it, still will wait till you know, the next statement, and then you get gold tier or platinum tier, you know, because it'd only be 1 month divided by 3, right? So you have to have it in there for 3 months. If you're just starting, if you already had some money in there, you might have a little bit of boost to it. You might get there quicker, but anyway, you have to have 20,000 for a combined of 3 months. So what is it? What are the benefits I think from it? Well, the gold tier, well, this is, you know, straight out of off their book, and I was in every tier at one point, like most people would be. First is the 25% credit card rewards. That is it's not really great yet. It's pretty. I say the only card that's really worth it is this card, the customized cash card. You get a boost on one category every month, so it's a 3% category. Like you can pick one between like eating out, gas, online shopping, a few others like home improvement stores. The 3% goes to 3.75 because it's a 25% boost, right? 3.75% on those categories, actually pretty solid at that point. Cards like the Travel Rewards card or the Cash Unlimited got 1.5%. They get a boost of 1.875% cash back or rewards. You know, you get a 2% card that's better than that. So I don't think it's really worth it on those other tiers. So anyway, that's that. So savings, you get a 5% savings booster. It's not really worth it. I'm not even going to get into it. Bank fees, no fees. Okay, cool. Merrill got investing 0.05% discount. It's a really small amount of money, but I don't know. It might be something worth it for you if you have a lot of money with them, I guess, maybe. But then you would be in a higher tier probably. The mortgage, this is pretty good. A $200 mortgage, a reduced origination fee on your mortgage. So that's a really good benefit. The home equity interest rate discount of 1.25%. So if you're interested in a home equity loan, that could be very, very good. Lower rate. And auto loan, 0.25% discount, pretty good. Foreign currency, 1% discount. I don't even know what that is. And no monthly fees, maintenance fees for school. That's good stuff, right? Now, next tier is platinum tier. Okay, platinum tier. Now you get so how do you get the first? You 50,000 or more. Okay, 3-month balance. Credit card bonus on your cashback cards goes up to from 25% bonus to a 50% bonus. I'll give you an example, 2 examples. Your customized cash card, 3% category that you choose, we just went over. Instead of 3%, you get up to 4.5%. Now you're talking some pretty good rewards. You can choose, again, dining out, gas, a few other categories like online shopping is a great one. That's one I used a lot to furnish my house and stuff like that. So maybe you can also choose like home improvement stores, so up to $2,500. But now you're starting to get pretty lucrative on it. It starts to becoming good on this, the Travel Rewards card or the Cash Unlimited card. The 1.5% cash back or Travel Rewards goes from 1.5% to 2.25%. So now you're beating those 2% cards with no annual fee. It's pretty great now. Now it starts to become worth it to have those cards. So anyway, let's go. The savings, you get a little bit more interest boost on your savings. You get no fee on ATMs, non-Bank of America ATMs, 12 a year. Merrill Lynch got an investing 0.1% discount on the fees, no fees on banking. Now the 400 reduced origination fee on a new purchase or refinance mortgage. That's really solid. And then your home equity line interest discount goes to 0.25%, solid. The home loan discount goes to 0.35% discount. Foreign currency 1.5. If anyone knows what that is, and if that's anything that's good to have, let me know. And then no monthly fees, that hasn't changed, the same as the other tier. Now the tier, this is really the top tier that you really would want to get, 100,000 or more on a 3-month average. So if you have more than that, just go with like 100,000 and then just write out the program. This is really the best part of it. The next program really doesn't have too many advantages to it. The diamond tier with $1 million above. So anyway, the credit card boost is now 75%. So the custom cash, the 3% category that you choose goes up to 5.25% solid. So you might do multiple cards now, right? And my wife has one, I have one. It's worth it. You can also get another version of it. I think it's, I forgot what it's called. It's a cancer program. But anyway, it's a woman's name. But anyway, it's another version of that. You get multiple of those cards. You get 5%, 5.25% on many categories. So you can, maybe you'll pick gas, your wife will pick, or your husband, or whatever your significant other picks another category, and you're getting multiple 5.25% categories. Now the 1.5% cashback cards or travel rewards cards goes up to 2.625 on anything. That's great. Really a solid rate. Really beats that. Those cards with like the normal 2% cards that everyone loves, especially the cashback people. Now you're really starting to get some nice rewards that makes it worth it. 20% boost on your interest on Bank of America Advantage Savings. Not a lot of interest to boost, so again, not too big of a deal. No ATM fee transactions are unlimited now. It's pretty nice. The Merrill guided investing is 0.15% annual program free discount. Okay. The banking services, no fees. The mortgage origination fee now is at $600 reduction. Awesome. The home equity loan or credit line is 0.375% discount. It starts getting really good. The the auto loan, 0.5% discount, solid. The foreign currency, 2% now, and then still no monthly fee. So that's the program. Okay. Now, how do you get into it? You can either put your money with Bank of America. I just put it in a checking account because I was just trying to save for a house, and just put a whole bunch of money in there, and then I don't even have it anymore. I don't have even enough to be in gold anymore, but they just keep on every month, just keeping me on that top tier, the platinum honors tier. There's a diamond tier, but for $1 million above, but they keep on keeping me there. So I keep on riding those rewards as long as I can. I'm not traveling right now because I have a baby still, and we're not going to be traveling. So this is a way I'm going to take advantage of credit card rewards. I currently have those 1.5% cashback cards, the unlimited, the gray card, and that travel rewards card for in case I do travel eventually. I'll get 2.625 on every transaction. We have multiple of those, the custom cash card, the red one, that 3%, so 5.25% cash back. Using it quite a bit. I've gotten some nice bonuses out of it. You do not get a bonus on those tiers. So, you're not going to get the $200 bonus to sign up for these cards, the ones I have at least. They're $200. You don't get more for $1,000 spent. You don't get that times whatever tiers if you're in higher tier. So that's one thing to think about. If you have multiple people on a checking account or whatever account it is, they'll both get the rewards, so that's great. My wife and I get it from that one account, right? I think a good way to do it is maybe what we were doing. We were saving for a house and down payment, so we had that money there. So why not put it all there and take advantage of those rewards while we're doing it? I was also getting a sign-up bonus to get a checking account with Bank of America is one of the reasons I did it as well. I think Merrill Lynch is probably the best route for most people. You have some IRAs and 401ks that are just like not attached to where you work anymore. You can roll them over to Merrill Lynch. Who really cares where you keep them, I think. And that will get you easier into a higher tier. So those people that have some money like that in those programs, rolling over 401ks might be good. If you're investing in a different program, maybe bring it over here. If these perks and rewards boosts are worth it for you. For me, it was. I really like the program. I'm surprised that they keep on, month after month. It's been a little while since I've had enough money, 100,000 plus, to get their platinum rewards, but they're keeping me in it. I hope they're not watching this video and take me off it. I don't think I have that much of a following. It's not a big deal. But so, that's a program. Is it right for you? I don't know. I've kind of laid it out there. It's the right thing for me. I think it's a good program, especially if you're not going to be traveling anytime soon. I think it also gives you an opportunity to get other cards. I've gotten the Alaska card. I've got so many cards recently with Bank of America between me and my wife, and they just keep on approving because I'm in the Platinum Honors tier. So I think you have some benefit there as far as getting approval too. So anyway, that's the video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Preferred rewards are for you. Who knows? You're the only one that knows that. But give me a thumbs up on the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification for every time I come with a video. You'll be the first to know. Have a great rest of the day, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.